Get out of that. Really?
Do you have a special dish that you're particularly proud of? The one that gets dished up at all family events? Well, stop feeling so smug, because let me tell you, you're in the halfpenny place when compared to the creation of Alexander Balthazar Laurent Gourmand de la Reynière. It was titled Rôti sans paille. Yes, I know my accent is atrocious. What do you expect? I'm from Mayo. This roast without equal was a mastery of engastration. The recipe called for a bustard stuffed with a turkey, stuffed with a goose, stuffed with a pheasant, stuffed with a chicken, stuffed with a duck, stuffed with a guinea fowl, stuffed with a teal, stuffed with a woodcock, stuffed with a partridge, stuffed with a plover, stuffed with a lapwing, stuffed with a quail, stuffed with a thrush, stuffed with a lark, stuffed with a Northland bunting, stuffed with a garden warbler, stuffed with an olive, stuffed with an anchovy, stuffed with a single caper, with layers of Lucca chestnut, forcemeat and bread stuffing between each bird, stewed in a pot with pork fat and spices for at least 24 hours. If you aren't good at counting, that is 18 animals that had to die, assuming only one pig for the forcemeat, etc. So don't think I'm going to be impressed by your pulled pork concoction. I have higher ambitions. Actually, I might just go with the vegetarian option.
Well, I never.